Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Creating Funories, Fun Memories. So since yesterday there was a snowstorm warning for today in Montreal and we all were really scared. Now what will happen in snowstorm? Because they told us that there is going to be snow of 25 centimeter. My god, this was our first experience of this extreme snow around us. So all the schools, the nurseries, they were all cancelled for today, and that made us more scared. My god, what's gonna happen tomorrow? And as we woke up in the morning, what we saw out of our window, it was all white everywhere. And the snow was falling down like crazy, coming from down, coming from up, coming from right, coming from left, coming from side. Everywhere it was just, the snow falling down, going in all the directions, and wherever you see around you, it was all white, white like just snow white. Surprisingly, this time there was no snow collected in our balcony. It was clear, and the snow was here in between the windows, here and here. It reached till so high, and the whole balcony was clean, but because of the wind, it was all coming inside the window. And now you'll be able to see in this video how difficult it is to survive in this condition, how people face so many difficulties, like this car is stuck in the snow because it was parked on the roadside, and how he will slowly take out his car. So this was our property manager who was cleaning up all the passages so that people can walk easily, they can go wherever they want and do not slip or get hurt while there was so much snow all around you. It's a hard work, but people over here really work hard and make these difficult conditions also survivable. And it is really commendable how Canadian government have also made the facilities that this all snow can be cleared off from the roads, so that people don't find it really difficult when they have to go out for some work or something that's really important and unavoidable. I have seen the cars today coming every hour on the road to clear the snow from the roads so that people can travel without any difficulty. If I would tell you, after they clear the snow, They put the salt around so that the snow doesn't become ice and it is not difficult for people to travel when they have to go out. The cars don't slip, and because of the salt, the snow doesn't become ice. So now I have come down. It's evening around 5:30 and the snowstorm has settled down. Not so much snow coming like crazy, and I've come down to enjoy in the snow and leave my footprints. Did you look at this staircase, guys? It's so crazy. There is so much snow here. I don't know how someone is going to come up or go down till it is all cleared.
So much. It has been crazy day of snow today. Yeah, I think they have cleaned out every hour. They have come and cleaned this area, but still wherever you can see, it's all white. Oh my god, this is so crazy.
And then here is the small experience of drive in the snow. I saw how people were clearing the snow from outside their houses so that tomorrow when they have to go to office, they do not have any difficulty. The hard work that the people do here is just commendable. Thank you for watching our videos, and if you liked our video and sharing a different experience with you, please like, subscribe and share our video. Thank you.